Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on rational numbers. In simple terms, a rational number satisfies the following definition. A rational number is one that can be expressed as a fraction in the form p over q, where p and q are whole numbers. We will now see how whole numbers, mixed fractions, terminating decimals, repeating decimals, and percentages can represent rational numbers. Let's look at some examples. Number 1, 5 can be written as 5 over 1. They are both whole numbers, so 5 is a rational number. Number 2, 3 and 4/5 can be written as 19 over 5, so 3 and 4/5 is a rational number. Number 3, 3.7 is equal to 3 and 7/10, which is equal to 37 over 10. So 3.7 is a rational number. 2.17 is 2 and 17 over 100, which is 217 over 100. So 2.17 is a rational number. 0.379 is 379 over 1,000, so 0.379 is a rational number. Number 6, 0.3 recurring. We're going to show how this is a rational number. Let's have a look how it's done. If we remember, 0.3 with the little dot there is a recurring decimal, and it can also be written as 0. with many threes all repeating themselves. To show that this is a rational number, we need to perform a very clever manipulation. This is no trick, it's actually mathematically sound. So if we remember from the previous lesson, 0.3 with the little dot there means that we have 0.3 and all the threes are repeating. Let n equals 0.3, 3, 3, etc. Therefore 10n must be 3.333, etc. 10n take away n, so 10n take away n will be this, take away that. And that's what I've written here. 10n take away n is 9n. This take away that is 3. So n equals 3 over 9. So n equals 1 over 3. Hence 0.3 recurring is a rational number. As I said earlier, this is no trick. It's a very sound mathematical logic, mathematical operation. That's the way we show that 0.3 recurring is irrational. In a similar manner, we can show that 0.24, where the 2 and the 4 are recurring, is also rational. So let n be that number. Therefore 100n equals 24.242424, etc. Therefore 100n minus n equals that minus that. That part is 99n. This part here is 24. So n equals 24 over 99. So if we divide top and bottom by 3, we get n equals 8 over 33. So 0.24, where the 2 and the 4 are recurring, is a rational number. 7% is 7 over 100. So 7% is a rational number. 29% is 29 over 100. So 29% is a rational number. And finally, 20.7% is 20.7 over 100. Multiply top and bottom by 10. That gives us 207 over 1,000. So 20.7% is a rational number. So this video has introduced us to the idea of the rational number, and we've seen how many types of numbers can be shown to be rational numbers, whether they be decimals or whole numbers or particular fractions or percentages or repeating decimals, etc. They can be shown to be rational numbers.